Good morning, Uber tubers. Alright, today I was going to do, gotta find it, I threw it in the trash. Right here. So this is a super pump, washer pump. So the part number is 11-507 WP-922 or P92 for AMC and Chrysler cars, light trucks. I got this on eBay. It's a washer pump. Or what else they call it? Something else. But anyway, they want you to remove the reservoir with a 3/8 inch wrench. I'll show you on the truck. I already did it. It took about 5 minutes to do it. But you can see all the blue. That means it was leaking. I tried to fix it. I replaced the O-ring in there and then screwed it because they're rivets. Excuse me. I have to sneeze. Allergies? I don't really ever have allergies. Anyway. First thing first. Make sure your truck's in park. Make sure the e-brake is set. Then you can pop the hood. Oh, this kid's got spiders in his truck. Anyway. Not sure what model this fits, but I'm gonna show you real quick. His truck is a 93 Dodge Ram D250. Ram 250 Cummins diesel. So they want you to take these bolts out. You have a bolt there. You got a bolt somewhere over there. And a bolt there. Maybe it's just the 2 bolts. Oh yeah, it's 3 bolts. So you take a, it says to take a 7/8 inch socket and to take that off down in there. But his is actually a 13/16. So you take a 13/16 and an extension. You zip that little filter off. I just left everything in there. You undo the hose, the washer hose, then you undo the connector, and basically pull the old one out, stick the new one in, and what I always do is to set the threads is, oh sorry, there is another part in there. I'll show you in a little bit, but anyway, I pushed it up, took the extension and socket, and then I backed it off until it clicked so that I knew it was on the threads, and then I tightened it, and I just hand tightened the extension, hand tight, that's it. Plugged it in, just a 2 spade connector plugs, and put the hose back in. And as you can see, we did that on I think it was Wednesday or Thursday, and still holding. Brake booster, brake master cylinder is not leaking. Battery's a little wet. Maybe you might need to get a new battery. Battery is October 2016. Anyway, so the part you have to do, I was talking about, is this little seal. This one fits on here really loose, but that wasn't what was leaking, because you can obviously see what was actually leaking is leaking right through between the motor, basically the little pump that's in there. It's a little drive. But anyway, you take this out. This kit came with a new one of these, and it came with this. I don't know what this is for. Car plugs. It's like a firewall plug, but I'm not sure if it was supposed to come with it or not, because it doesn't say anything on here about this plug. So I don't know, whatever. I'll keep it. anyway, yeah, so you have, it comes with one spade connector. I don't know why, because it's a 2 deal. But yeah, I don't know why. Anyway, you take this off, you just pull this out. What I did is I just stuck my finger on the back side of it like this, and then I just worked it out, like pulled it out like this. It obviously sits in a groove because it's groovy. And then for the new one, I folded it basically like this, stuck it in there, stuck that part in, this one in there, this one in there, and then I folded it in, crushed it, and then folded it in. It went in. The new one's a little different. This one's square, could just be from old age. The other one was round more. It had more of a contour. And then obviously just stick this in there and tighten it down. It's a pretty easy job. It took about 5 minutes. If you got to take the pump or the reservoir off, it'll take a little longer, I think. Or maybe not. I don't know. But I'm gonna try taking these screws off. So bear with me for a second. Man, I tighten these screws good. Here, you can watch me turn the screwdriver, because that's fun. So I replaced the O-ring and I put a little bit of silicone in there. I didn't think it would hold. Hold on, here you can watch me talk. So yeah, I didn't think it would hold. And it didn't hold. But I tried it, whatever. I don't know why I didn't just order one of these. I think it was like 13 bucks, 14 bucks or something stupid. And we've been waiting for his radio. He bought a Android radio or something. And we've been waiting to get it so I can put this switch in. Because I got to tear the dash apart. So, anyway. This just comes off somehow. Maybe I need two hams. So you can see the silicone. It's just a little spinny motor. But this that seal broke and it looks like it ate up the O-ring. Because I put an O-ring inside that groove. There's a groove in there. I put a little tiny O-ring in there. And it obviously didn't work. It either didn't work or it just can't hold pressure anymore. So, or what it actually probably is, it's probably leaking. It's probably leaking through here. In behind this impeller. It's probably leaking in there and then leaking out. But anyway, no big deal. Pretty inexpensive little fix. Yeah. Yeah, you can see it's, I don't know if you can see or not, but it's pretty dried up in there on that back side. So that's where it was leaking. This is leaking through the shaft. So no big deal. So anyway, that's it, guys. That's gonna be it for this little video. That's how you replace it. Pretty simple little deal. And now he's got windshield washer fluid and he can use his windshield wipers. And but alright, guys, I gotta go. I gotta take my Audi to American Tire or Discount Tire, whatever you want to call it. So I'll put a link for that part in the description. You guys let me know what you guys think of the video. Give me a like, subscribe, comment. You guys do what you guys do. Thanks for watching. Later.